Let's check out what's new in the Messages app in the iOS 26. Apple just dropped a bunch of cool customization features from chat bubble styles and emoji reactions to layouts, tweaks, and effects. You can now make your messages look and feel exactly how you want. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's get into it. For part 1, let's get into the background. Yeah, you can even change the background of your chats for individual conversations. For this, you need to go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap apps, and then find the Messages app from here, and then tap on Messages to open it up. Then scroll down once again and find conversation backgrounds. This feature will be disabled by default once your phone has been updated, so make sure to enable this. After this, you can have conversation backgrounds on your Messages app that you can set from your photos or using Apple AI. Part 2, Screen Unknown Senders. iOS 26 got this great feature where it lets you have an upper hand on your unknown contact messages. You can now easily differentiate between spam messages and important ones. So while you are still on the Messages app settings, you can scroll up a bit and find this toggle called Screen Unknown Senders. Make sure this toggle is set to on like this. After this, tap on Allow Notifications and make sure to enable time-sensitive, personal, transactions, and promotion notifications depending on your preference. Personally, I would recommend you to enable time-sensitive and transactions. These two are really important and they are really useful in everyday uses. For example, your bank transactions, your Apple Pay transaction, your Google Pay transactions will be processed through this notification setting. So make sure to enable transactions and time-sensitive. After that, the personal option and the promotion option is up to you, so you can just figure that out by yourself. Now for part 3, you can send photo previews. If you go back to the Messages app settings and scroll down to the very bottom, you will find Send Photo Previews option. This feature lets you see a preview of your photos in low data mode so that you can have understanding of what you might expect. For example, you'll get a preview of the photo in the notification bar. So if you swipe down to the notification panel, you will see some sort of a preview of the notification and the photo will be visible to you even if you have low data. So that can be pretty useful if you think about it. In any case, let's move on to part 4, which will be new effects and animation. In the Messages app, when you send messages like happy birthday or contacts, the screen effects still show, but now you can manually apply them. For example, if I go back and open up my Messages app from my home screen, and let's open up a message. Now let's send a text. For example, let's send happy birthday to this person. So when I type happy birthday, if I press and hold on to the send icon over here, I will see a lot of options like if you have invisible ink, gentle option, loud, and you have different bubbles. If you go to screen option over here, you have different screens like this screen effect, this screen effect, this screen effect, and so many more. So you can just customize the screen effect to your liking and just hit the send icon over here, and the effect should show up just like this. Pretty nifty, right? In any case, you should try all of them out all by yourselves, and it's a fun way to spice up your conversations. So guys, that wraps up for our today's video on customizing the Messages app on your iOS 26. Hope the video helped you out, and don't forget to give it a like if it did. And subscribe to this channel for more tips on your iPhone.